There's always someone that's got it rough, so if you think you got it rough, you really don't. I mean, it does get lonely, I ain't gonna lie, when you're by yourself and you're young, and Attention Homes is very supportive.
You lose everything in this lifestyle, and you don't have anything really.
Put me on the streets because we've lost the house then.
My mom's kicked me out a couple of times because she hasn't been able to really handle and be a parent.
I was kind of distracted because I couldn't really find food very often.
Couldn't really have my doctor's appointments.
Being arrested all the time for being homeless.
I've been jumping from shelter to house to shelter.
It gets really hard because I go through shoes so much because there's so much walking.
I'm basically on my own.
I'm just trying to give them hope and trying to help them as best we can, whether that's as simple as food or just talking or as much as we can do.